Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to select and mark tomatoes to save for seed production. Here's a clip from the show. Now, I do want to save some seed from these tomatoes, and there's a couple things that we need to do in order to do that. One is we need to look for the perfect tomato. So we want a tomato that doesn't have splits or cracks, a tomato that is the size that we want, and what we want to do is we want to mark that. So I cut a few strings, and we're going to look for the perfect tomato. We're going to tie the string to the top of the stem of that tomato. That will mark it so that we know not to pick that one. And then we're going to let the tomato vine ripen a little bit further, almost to the point of being mushy and rotten. So we want it just super, super vine ripe. So we're going to mark it today, we're going to check it next week, and we'll either pick it next week or we'll pick it the week after. So it's really important that that vine ripens, and then from there we will bust it open and process the seeds. So we're going to get a harvest, and we're going to go pick some tomatoes. Now, the reason that you want to pick your very best tomato is you want the genetics from that very best tomato to pass on. You don't want to use small ones, you don't want to use ones with cracks, because you don't want to pass on those genetics. So look for the very best. I'm going to sacrifice 3, and then we'll save seeds from those. So I'm going to pick my 3 tomatoes, and then I'm going to harvest the rest. Alrighty, here is our tomato harvest, and this is for the whole week. I didn't pick any tomatoes midweek, so they're looking pretty good. I'm going to get these put up this week, so I'll get them sauced and probably into the freezer. Alright, so I want to show you, this is one of the tomatoes that I selected for one of my perfect tomatoes. So here's one of my ties, and I'm going to leave that on there. It's not quite ripe yet, but it's close. So another week, maybe 2 weeks. But we want to mark that so that we know which one that we want to save seed off of. So I got 3 of them marked, and that way if something happens to one of them, because there's like 100 seeds in each one. So we got 3 chances to get a good one, and we can also, if we don't like those 3, we can select one next week. So this clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9 Week 24. If you want to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online. And you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.